Hi, everyone. I'm Katie, and today we're going to go over our payroll processing task. First thing you're going to want to do is click Get for Free, and then you're going to go ahead and want to go to Firm Templates to view this task and see everything involved. So the first thing you're going to do is click Firm Templates and then Tasks. Then you're going to want to go ahead and open that task. Here you can see we've got the name of the template that is assigned to our payroll specialist. It starts today and it's due in 2 days. And then we have a list of subtasks to go over. So we've got the submit payroll through the payroll system, print or direct deposit paychecks if needed, and send pay stubs to employees if needed. We're going to go ahead and click Save and Exit. Now, normally this is going to be part of your payroll pipeline, but today we're going to assign it as a one-off task so you can see what it looks like when it has been assigned. So to assign a one-off task, I'm going to go ahead and click New. We're going to assign it to our test account. And then we want to select the correct template. And here again, we can see that it has been assigned to our payroll specialist role. We've got the name of the template. We've got our start and due dates. And then we have our subtasks here at the bottom. So we're going to hit Create, and this is going to assign it to our test account, which you can see here. Now, once it's been assigned, you can go ahead and click on it. And this is what the task is going to look like once it's been assigned to you or to one of your team members. So you have all of the same information. And then as you go through it, you can go ahead and check off your subtasks as necessary. Once you've done that and you've completed everything that needs to be done, you can go ahead and check off your task and mark it completed by going to Status and Completed. This will help move your pipeline along to the next stage. Once you click Save, it's also going to remove it from your active tasks on your client's account. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to the success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.